To get leads onto your email list, you need a super simple strategy to build a super simple lead magnet. Inside of Affiliating, my profitable online business, my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer and then add people to an email list, you simply need to build a super simple lead magnet in step number 4. Now, if you want to promote products like over at Warrior Plus or products in the make money online space or an internet marketing niche like they sell over at Warrior Plus, this is a great example, and you could use a tool or you could use a set of checklists that you get license rights to. PLR, white label, you get a license to make these your own, and these make great lead magnets as well as full products. But just think about this. These I am checklists, for example, rebranding PLR for profits. You want to build an email list as an affiliate to promote PLR products. There's a link in the description. You can check out these I am checklists. You can get access to all of them. And the concept here is to go back and say, I need to focus on building a super simple lead magnet. So I simply click Open Checklist. It opens up the Volume 74 Rebranding PLR for Profits checklist. Then you have all the checklists here. I'm going to give you an example of using checklist number 1, Understanding PLR. You simply just click on that checklist. It opens the checklist. It's a PDF. You open it up. Then you need to create, or you need the mechanism, or you need the tool that has the technology to actually collect the list or collect the leads that will become your list. But first, what we want to do is we simply just want to highlight all this. We want to copy all this information, and we want to take it over to Lead Creator. And I'm going to show you how to use Lead Creator here in a second. But then you're going to use that information, and you're not just going to paste it in. You're going to use the AI to build this interactive checklist. As you can see here, all the information is interactive. So as they accomplish each task in this interactive checklist, they can check it off. So what does it look like, or what does this actually do, Lead Creator? It gives you a opt-in form. It gives you a super simple squeeze page for your super simple lead magnet all in one tool. And here you can collect the name and the email of the person that is going to go on your list that is interested in the thing that you are selling as an affiliate. Or to put it more aptly, or to be more correct, the focus is the problem that you are solving with your content. You're letting people know that this lead magnet is going to solve their problem. So this is going to be the solution. They come over and they opt in. They give their name and their email. They agree to the privacy policy, and they say, I want to keep reading. And it looks like this. They simply just say, I want to keep reading. That lead goes onto your email list, and they get, again, the interactive checklist right here. And you simply just add a little call to action down here to whatever product you're promoting or the solution to the problem. And again, it's powered by Lead Creator. All the resources and products that I'm talking about, the links in the description, check them out. But understand this is super simple. So all we did is we go to Lead Creator, and Lead Creator looks like this. Lead Creator also gives you a place. Again, it's creating all your lead magnets. It's storing all your lead magnets. It's also telling you the number of visits and the number of leads and giving you a percentage of the conversion rate, all right here in one tool. But if we want to create a new lead magnet, we simply just click this green button that says create a lead magnet, and then we create the lead magnet. We give it a name. Here in categories, this will be the categories for your lead magnets. For example, I have 30-minute Facebook post blog, 30-minute YouTube, also email. The idea and the focus here is you are categorizing your blog posts, your lead magnets. So if they're all focused on getting leads from your blog, then you can simply sort that here or filter by category. And then you just select the template. Now here is where it gets interesting, because there is the 5-point listicle, the 10-point and 15-point listicle. There's also a blog post summarizer, a YouTube summarizer, as well as a blank lead magnet and some other templates coming soon. But we want to use the raw ChatGPT. So essentially, you're going to enter a prompt here. And what we're going to do, or if you remember, I copied that checklist right here, but I want to give you another example. So we'll go back to volume 74. Again, this is volume 74, Rebranding PLR for Profits. From all of the checklists that are available inside of I Am Checklist, we are focused just on one checklist here. And we're saying we're going to solve the problem of how people can use PLR, or how they can rebrand PLR and use PLR in their business. We click open that checklist. It opens up all the checklists here. We did the lead magnet for understanding PLR. Now we want to do the lead magnet for the rebranding process. You simply click here. That opens up that checklist. You can see the checklist here. What we're going to do, again, we're just going to Control A or Copy A or Command A on my Mac, and we're just going to copy all that. And we're going to go back to Lead Creator. And again, here we're going to give this a name for our lead magnet. Here we'll call it the Rebranding PLR Checklist. Again, you can select your category. So for example, in this video, it'd be 30-minute YouTube. If I was to use this lead magnet from the content here on my YouTube channel, I'll say raw ChatGPT, and I want to give a little bit of information to ChatGPT before I paste in the checklist. I want it to know, and I want to give it the instructions to create an interactive checklist. And here I'm going to start off, and I'm just going to say, please create an interactive checklist, and I'll highlight this for you. Please create an interactive checklist with boxes to check off each task in the checklist below. And I'll paste in the checklist, but also add an introduction and a summary with a CTA to check out more PLR products. Then I'll just give myself a little space here, and I will paste in that checklist. And you can see here, I've pasted in the entire checklist after adding my little customization prompt here. And I'll go ahead and create that lead magnet. And here now you can see that it has created the interactive checklist. Of course, we could highlight the heading here. We could center that if you like it. You could also change the colors if you want to do that. You could change it to red. You could also select this and delete it, get rid of that. But you can see here that it is fully interactive, just like what we saw before. Then you just have a few other options here, email capture and some other settings to set up your email autoresponder. But you can see all these steps here are ready to go, ready for you to collect the lead. And you have the conclusion here, and you have a call to action. And of course, you could always come down here to the call to action. For example, check out more PLR resources, and you could just add a link in there, just like you can with any other page builder out there that works. But the super simple lead magnet you create here is simply just taking content that you already have, checklists that you have access to. When you pick up IM Checklist, you have access to all those checklists. You take those, you create super simple lead magnets around each component of the idea, and you make the focus on solving the problem of how to rebrand PLR or any problem that you have for the product you're promoting. This was just an example using those checklists and thinking about if you wanted to promote products over at Warrior Plus. This was just a great example, or one it was very simple for me to show you because all the work has been done for you because you have PLR white label rights to those IM checklists. Then you have one simple tool to create the lead magnet as well as to create the super simple lead magnet opt-in. So you get the name and you get the email and it all goes right on your list. And then you can measure how many people opt in. So you have your statistics all in one place as well with Lead Creator. If you'd like to see more about Lead Creator, go ahead and watch the video that you see on the screen right now.